25.4% of all persons interviewed said they would vote for the People's National Party, as against 30.7% who said they would vote for the Jamaican Labour Party.
JLP gaining ground, but PNP still ahead in latest RJR Gleaner Dunn Anderson poll. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, reaction to the latest RJR Gleaner Dunn Anderson poll. And later on, National Works Agency to target unruly motorists who destroy road infrastructure. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.